Hey everybody, Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and look, I don't know what's going on. It is enough right now. We've been on the ship for 24 hours. 24 hours.
Less than that.
Less than 24 hours, and we have already coined a new phrase for this particular cruise, and we're calling this one Karens of the Sea. Tiffany came up with that. And we're not talking about just one Karen. We're not talking about a female Karen or a male Karen, because it's a whole bunch of Karens of the sea. And I don't know what's changed. We've been sailing, been on 3 cruises, since post-pandemic. This is the first time that the occupancy level has been almost 100%. Did that bring on the
negative people?
Did the fact that the health and safety protocols change and you don't have to wear a mask inside, did that bring on the negative people? I know, said our last couple cruises, the diehard cruisers are out there and everybody was having a good time, and yeah, a little bit here and there, but not like we've seen in less than 24 hours. And let me give you an example. We were just outside, and look, ship's Wi-Fi is ship's Wi-Fi. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's just how it goes. If you cannot utterly depend on Wi-Fi. The app is going to have hiccups. The app is going to have issues. And we heard this guy say, well, if Carnival won't give me my money back, I guess I'll just go down and remove my gratuities to get my money back. So the ship's having a technological problem, and your answer and your solution is to take money away from your room steward, from your servers. You're going to punish the crew for a technological problem with Carnival. Please tell me how that makes any sense. And the negativity. I mean, it's so much negativity. I can't believe we've heard at least 4, 5, 6 people just walking around talking about, oh, that's the worst cruise I've ever been on, and da. I don't get it. This, you're on a cruise. You're supposed to be out here having fun, not thinking up ways to take money away from crew members.
Yeah. Look for the positives. Don't be so negative.
Yeah, so if you guys have upcoming cruises, as I said, it seems like here in just this, because we were just out 2 weeks ago, something feels like it has changed in the last 2 weeks, and it's becoming a little more difficult to keep that negativity out of our bubble, so to speak, because I said less than 24 hours and we're hearing more negativity than we're hearing positivity right now. Not sure what's going on, but if you got any sailings coming up, keep an eye out, because for diehard cruise fans, it can be kind of annoying. And don't remove gratuities because technology doesn't work. Hate that. Don't punish the crew. Anyway, we just wanted to share that quick story with y'all, because we're going to keep enjoying our cruise. We're going to keep having fun and doing all of the stuff we enjoy, but we're going to get back to that right now. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, our little cruise rant, little cruise warning for stuff that's going on out there. But if you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you
out on the high seas.
Out on the high seas.